Alrighty, just a quick update. I just filled up my beds with pine shavings, wood shavings, and I just want to show them off. That's all. And I also want to say that I don't know if this is supposed to be my cabbage bed, but this looks like a collard green to me. You see, that's the issue with buying anything from big box stores. You don't really know what you're getting. It's big and beautiful, but it looks like a big, beautiful collard green. This may be a cabbage. I think I see, yeah, I can tell by the middle leaves that this is a cabbage. The cabbages, they seem to form like a ball early on, or like the middle leaves seem to like stay close together. That's what this one looks like. But that one looks like a collard green. And I have some other ones that I'm confused about over here. But yeah, I just wanted to come on real quick to show you guys my beds with the wood shavings from Tractor Supply. Just got done doing it. Took one bag to do all this. If you guys don't know about the, if you look over here, I can't zoom in because my other hand is watering. But I bought 2 bags. If you look by the barbecue grill, the other one is sitting there by my window. Yep. But yeah, so this, the collard green and cabbage challenge is still going. As you can see, I'm almost, if this is a collard green, this thing is gonna be big and delicious here. I mean, it's already big, but it's gonna be nice and tasty. And these collard greens and Brussels sprouts and cabbages I bought from Home Depot. Did I say Lowe's earlier? Yeah, Home Depot. I got them on discount because they were badly neglected. When I say badly, I mean very neglected. They were like not watered. All of them were drooping down, not looking very happy at all. And y'all know Job got attacked by cabbage worms early on, but he's coming back strong. I'm thinking about giving him a little pruning, maybe cutting some of the leaves off. But Tiny Tim is still kicking. The one down there, Tiny Tim Jr., he may be gone. I don't know if I can save him. But this is my collard green bed, and I do have a few Brussels sprouts in here. I think this is a Brussels sprout. I'm pretty sure it is, and I'm pretty sure this is a collard green in that one. But we won't be able to tell until maybe a few more weeks. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to come in and show you guys, give you guys an update on the collard green cabbage challenge. I'm looking real good, and I wanted to floss a little bit. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, I still don't have the fence up. I got to talk to my neighbor about that. My neighbors, our fences, we need to do something about the fences. It'll happen. I'm not worried about it. I got the money. I just got to make the time. Anyways, this is Anthony L. Kelly giving you guys a collard green cabbage update. My beds are looking nice and pretty. Y'all go ahead and hit that like too, man. Leave a comment. Until next time, y'all be safe. I hear him, I don't see him. Oh, they're on the other side of that house. Look at that sunset. There we go. Anyways, y'all be blessed. I'm out.